Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. I am so happy that you guys have stopped by my channel today. I hope you like my video today. If you do, please be so kind to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you join my channel. Hit that bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. I love that you guys have stopped by because I couldn't do this without you. And actually, it's fun for me to do it with you or for you. So today we have another quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host is Simply Grace Lifestyle. The name of her other channel is The Grace Life DIY. And then me, Jean Home Decor and More. Now with quick and easy meals, it's an open collaboration. You can make anything that you would like, from a smoothie to dessert. If you want to dine in, dine out, take out, if you go over somebody else's house for a barbecue, you can share your plate with us. We would love to have you join on Quick and Easy Meals. So, after you watch my video, please stop by and watch Simply Grace Lifestyle. And sometimes, guys, we have other participants that join us. So I'm gonna link the hashtag. You'll see it in the thumbnail, but I'll link it down below. Click on that hashtag and you can see anybody else that's participating in today's quick and easy meal. So today is Saturday. Today I've done a Foodie Grace grocery haul so far, and I made some macaroni and tuna salad earlier, so I'm gonna show that on a different quick and easy meal. And right now, I'm gonna make apple cobbler. So I did 3 videos today, but right now I'm gonna make apple cobbler and I'll post that later. Now this is a very old recipe that I've had. I used to make peach cobbler, but you know, sometimes it's hard to find really nice peaches. It seems like, not like, I used to be able to a long time ago. So I decided I'm gonna make apple cobbler, and I'm going to use some Gala apples. So this is a nice recipe, and I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make this apple cobbler. And guess what, guys? Ooh, I have some Blue Bunny caramel butter pecan praline ice cream. That would be so good between the apple cobbler and the ice cream. It'll be so good, it'll make you want to swallow your tongue. So look, today is hot. I don't want to be outside because it's too hot to be walking around looking at stuff. So it's air conditioning in this house, praise the Lord. And so I decided I would just, use this day to do some videos. And why not? Quick and easy meal. Okay, so let me turn the camera around so you can see the ingredients that I'll be using to make my apple cobbler. So keep watching. Okay, so guys, here is the baking dish that I'm going to be using to bake my apple cobbler. And I've used this before, and it comes out really nice. We need 3/4 cup of milk. I'm choosing to use Almond Breeze. Then we have 2 cups of sugar. Now this is the first time I'm using this. Coconut palm sugar. The reason why I'm using it is because it's, I don't want to have white sugar. I try not to use too much white sugar. So I don't have enough Trulia. I think it's a Truvia or Trulia. Anyway, nonetheless, I decided not to get that today. I decided to use this coconut palm sugar. So we're gonna see how that is. Then we have here 1.5 cups of flour. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon. It doesn't call for cinnamon. We're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We have a cup of Country Crock plant butter, and then of course my apples. So I'm going to cut these apples up. I'm going to, chop them up, cut them up small, in the cubes or and everything like that. We're going to combine the apples with the sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the apples up. I won't keep you on for that to kind of keep the video a little shorter. So just keep watching. Okay, so what I did is I took a cup of the sugar, and again, we have coconut palm sugar, and I mixed that with the 2 cups of apples. So now I'm gonna take this Country Crock plant butter. I'm gonna place it in my baking dish and put it in the oven to melt, and I have preheated my oven on 350 degrees, so keep watching. Okay, so for the rest of our dry ingredients, we're gonna put these all together. We're gonna use the remaining sugar, and we're gonna put in our flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and let me just double check that. Yep, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm gonna sprinkle in, this is not required, but I'm just gonna sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon. And we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now I'm going to, let me get my, okay, so now I'm gonna mix this all up. This is what our batter looks like. I, stirred in all the dry ingredients, the milk. And so when our plant butter melts in the baking dish, I'm gonna pour this over top, and then I'm gonna pour that over top of this batter. And then we will bake it in the oven, and I'll let you know how long. And like I said, I preheated my oven to 350. So right now I'm just waiting for the butter to melt. Okay, so now our butter has melted. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I poured the batter on top of the butter. You don't stir it, you just pour it on top. And then I poured the apple and sugar mixture on top of that. And so I'm gonna pop this in the oven for 60 minutes. Okay, stay tuned. All right, guys, so this is hot out of the oven. Now, let me just say one thing. The reason why this looks so brown is because I use palm coconut sugar. If you were using white sugar, it wouldn't look like this. You know, all of the sugar that you see throughout here, that would all be, it would all be like the color of granulated sugar. But I'm doing this because this is a healthy alternative. Now, I've never tried the palm coconut sugar, so I'm gonna try a little piece. So keep watching. Okay, so here's the ice cream. So let me take a scoop and I'll let you know. Guys, this is really, really good. Make you swallow your tongue. You have to try it. Thanks for watching. Give me a big thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment box below. And until the next time, bye-bye.